Alright, welcome back to the channel. I'm out here at Quartz Mountain State Park over Christmas, and it is genuinely gorgeous. We're going to be doing some hiking. There's two main trails here, and we'll probably walk up to the dam area. Small state park. Excuse me, it's still a little cold on my eyes there. But about to make some breakfast. Slept good in the truck, and it's currently 52 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a beautiful morning. Here's what the park looks like from the truck. So it's breakfast time, and be making a small fire. It is very dry right now, but no wind, so it should be good for a quick fire and some eggs and bacon this breakfast. A lot more to come. Alright, good morning. We're heading off to the New Horizon Trail. It's only a short half-mile trail, but we'll see what there is to find. We're just walking from the camp spot in the Mountain View Campground. Should be a quick hike, and then we're off to some of the longer trails in the afternoon. And we'll probably do near sunset at the Baldy Point, which is another name for Quartz Mountain. Alright, we started the New Horizon Trail. A couple warnings about how steep it is, so we'll see how that goes. But looks like we're off to the races. Here we go. Well, we made it to the top of the New Horizon Trail. It's windy as hell, but the view's great. Here's what it looks like. All right, made it to the very, very top. Man, it was that last little bit was difficult, so be ready for big rocks, big holes, jumping over stuff. All right, that was the New Horizon Trail. Moderate to even hard for hiking. It was, there's some scrambling, there's some big boulders that you have to jump over, some cracks that you gotta kind of shimmy through if you want to stay on the trail. So be ready for that. It's not technical, but it's a pretty hard hike. Moderate to hard. Alright, we made it to the Cedar Valley Trail. Should be a good time. It's only 3,000 feet long. It's just a loop here in the valley. But looks pretty easy enough. Here we go. There's Baldy Peak. And this is what the valley looks like. I originally thought I could climb up to Baldy Peak, but I don't think that's gonna happen because that's right behind us right there. And there's a trail that loops around it. We'll see what happens. Maybe we can get to the top. So you can actually go up into the mountains, up into that trail, up into the hills, about another mile, but a lot more rocky that way. All right, that was easy enough. The Cedar Valley Trail. It's pretty nice how it's nestled in here. It said that Indians used to like live in this valley for a couple thousand years, so I guess there's some archaeological stuff all through here. But makes perfect sense. We're gonna do the Baldy Peak tomorrow. 85 degrees, blowing dust. Should be a good time. I think that's the only trail we're gonna do right now. Other than that, we're gonna go look at some of these old ranch ruins and then head back to camp. Make some dinner. Should be good. Fajitas. Some old ranch here with an old ranch home. Wide open. Cows are over there. All right, I think we're done for the day. We're gonna get Baldy tomorrow. We're hiking up to the front of the dam, and I think that'll be it for the day. I already got a couple miles in of hiking, several cool things. Ran into the guy who owned the ranch right in front of the hiking trail. Told me an interesting story, and then I got some drone video. I'd say overall a good day. Now we're checking out the dam. Safe trekking out there, everyone.